So, first question. So, for someone new to blockchain, can you explain what Nervos Network is in simple terms and why CKB matters to users and developers?
So we have so many descriptions to the projects. Like I mentioned earlier, you could ask 20 people within the foundation and you'll get 20 answers. So I'd like to think of CKB as an open source, decentralized public blockchain with proof of work. We have a virtual machine. It's very unique. I mean, it utilizes an open source instruction set called RISC-V. RISC-V is not used in many projects at the moment. It will be. Even Ethereum has made posts about converting, contracts to RISC-V. This makes it able to use any code to program dApps, basically. So essentially, it's a multi-language programmable infrastructure. Any blockchain language like Solidity, Rust, JavaScript, etc. Rust is more preferred, but it can be programmed in. So let's just say all other crypto projects only use one language. Yeah, we use a multitude of them. So it's perfect for the ability to be a layer 1 or a layer 2 for any other chain out there. This is very unique. We can block ourselves onto any blockchain if they need us, or even maybe as a parachain for Polkadot and things, all of these different projects. So it's just our superpower, really. And it's something that's really, it's very overlooked by most communities because everything's so tribal in crypto. Everyone wants to know that their project is the best pony in the race. It's just one of those things. We're trying to aim to connect all of these projects together, which is why I'm not shy in bringing in other projects and stuff and trying to teach them about it. Whether they want to learn or not is a totally different, kettle of fish. But it's a value storage network, so it's a secure digital vault in essence. CKB isn't just a currency; it's more like, let's say, digital land. By holding CKB, you own the right to store the data and the first-class assets, basically digital art and your identity. And for developers, it's digital land is valuable because they need it to build on chain. So 1 CKB equals 1 byte of information. So if they want to hold 500 bytes of information on chain, they have to use and lock in 500 CKB. So yeah, do you understand that? It's very unique. It's basically saying that if you want to launch loads and loads of projects, you've got to have the money to take up the state on the blockchain.
Oh, okay, all right. Okay, I got it now.
But instead of Ethereum, where they're reeling off thousands and thousands and thousands of projects and then just closing the projects and scamming people and stuff like that, actually going to cost you money to scam people.
Yeah. Okay. So that Pump Fund wouldn't work, for example, because they'd need to purchase that land to deploy their store.
So let's look at it from another point of view. You could create a project using 1500 CKB, and if it fails, you can get that CKB back, and it could be a different price. So even in 4 years' time, you retain that CKB back to shut down the program, and it could be worth more, or it could be worth less.